Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk a little bit about Google Drive. So as you can see, I have my Google Drive open, and within it I have separate folders. I have one for downloads, miscellaneous things, photos, and for this course, EDCI 270. So I'm going to click in that. And once I get in there, you're going to be able to see that I have a couple projects in there. And in this case, I want to add a new document, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to click New. And you can add any of these things, but in this case, I'm going to add a Google Doc. So I'm going to create this document and share it with my partners for the project. My computer's being a little slow, so it might take a little while, but we're going to get it done. I'm going to add my title. And after I add my title, I'm going to go over here to share, and I'm going to show you how to share that with your group members. So we're just going to call this EDCI 270. And once you have that in, you are able to share it. So you're going to click share. And once you get to share, you're going to make sure that the Can Edit button is picked. That way your partners are able to add their own information. So you can type in whoever you want to share it with. In this case, I'm just going to use me. So after you have that in, you can add please edit or whatever you need them to do. And send it, and they will have this information. So that's shared, and you're going to go back to your drive. And you're going to see that now you have EDCI 270 within your folder. Now you're going to go back, and I just want to show you a little bit of what else I have. So I have photos in this picture, in this folder, but I also have a separate folder for my theme for the course, which is the Great Depression, and this just contains a few pictures if I were to use these for a project or anything that I needed. And I hope that sums up what you need to do to add a new folder.